Okay guys, welcome to the Catfish kitchen. Today we're making coleslaw. KFC copycat coleslaw actually. This is amazingly easy to do and very close to the real deal. Very similar. I don't have buttermilk, so I can't follow the exact recipe. I just use I double up the regular milk. That's what I do. Still pretty close, I tell you. It's really good. Now I don't have a food processor, and if I did it, this would only take seconds. I have to shred this cabbage with a knife, and I will grate the carrot and cut the onion real small. You don't need much onion, just a little bit. Link to the written recipe is in the video description, as it always is. And that'll explain all your measurements and all the good stuff you need. So we'll get ready and shred up this cabbage. Rabbit food. Could probably use the grater for this, but I always use a knife. You know, KFC coleslaw is very fine pieces, but that's up to you. You know, when you make your own, make it as big as you want. See how long did that take, huh? Might be a little more than a quarter cup. That's okay. Now for the onion. Could grate this up actually. A grated onion is really good. Not everybody likes big chunks of onion. I do, but you know, not everybody. So I'll make it as small as I can. Okay, all the vegetables are shredded. That was easy. It just takes seconds, you know. It's nothing to it. Now we get to make the sauce. We'll start with mayo. I actually measured it this time. How cool is that, huh? White granulated sugar. Pepper. Like I said, I don't have buttermilk, so we substitute the best that we can. Vinegar. I use 5% distilled vinegar. Apple cider would probably work. Pour a little bit on the floor. That's okay. Keeps it interesting. Lime. This is limes fresh from the tree, just seconds ago. It actually calls for lemon, of course. I don't grow lemon, but either one will work. It just adds the acid more than flavor. That's it. Now we just gotta mix this up. It's very watery. Try and keep nature out of the bowl so the food police are happy. Good enough. Here's our vegetables. You can see how fine I got the onions. Now all I'm going to do is pour this right over the top and mix it up. As simple as that. Could have probably mixed the vegetables together first, but you got to mix it anyway, so what's the big deal? This is a lot of coleslaw. The thing with this, to make it at its best, you know, a couple hours in the fridge and it'll be okay, but it should be overnight. It's much better if you put it in, you know, at least 12 hours. Make it the day before, you know. See, not hard to mix at all. It looks the real deal. Good amount of carrot in there. Now I'm going to cover this with saran wrap, some kind of plastic wrap. Tight. Ooh, that tastes nice. The sauce tastes nice. Make it nice and tight. I'm not going to put it over the top here. I'm going to push it right down. Put it in the fridge and we'll try it tomorrow. Like I say, 12 hours is best. Okay. It is now tomorrow. And this, boy, it just smells good. Give it a mix. Nice and watery now, huh? Steal a little bit. I knew what it was going to taste like, and I'm still impressed. Should have brought a spoon. Make a mess. Check that out. If you didn't have KFC coleslaw to compare it to, you know, you can do a side-by-side test. You'd think this came from KFC. This is unreal. And I don't have buttermilk. All this needs is some greasy fried chicken. Look at it. Look at that. Amazing. And you think how much it would cost to buy that big bowl of coleslaw. And what it costs, you know? It's only cost like $2 or something to make it. Takes 10 minutes. And you just have to let it sit overnight. Or you should. A couple hours is okay, but overnight is much better. I can eat a bowl full of that. Just like this, you know? Unbelievable. I think you could just omit half the milk. It's a little bit watery, but not bad. Man, that is good. Well, there it is, guys. KFC Coleslaw Copycat. Is it as good as the real deal? It's pretty freaking close. It is delicious. Wouldn't it be something if it's better? The only way to know would be to do a side-by-side comparison. Taste test. Man, oh man, that is good. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Link to the written recipe is in the video description. If you eat coleslaw, you should check it out. It is easy to do and delicious. Alright guys.